So find the angle between the pair of lines here. There are two lines here. Find angle between two lines. They are in vector form here. Hence, if the lines are in vector form, then cos theta is equal to b1 dot b2 divided by modulus of b1 into modulus of b2 here. Hence, comparing given equation with standard form here. Okay. Therefore, take your solution here. b1 is equal to the vector b1 is equal to I plus 2j plus 2k, and the vector b2 bar is equal to 3I plus 2j plus 6k. Therefore, let theta be the angle between the lines. Let theta be the angle between the lines. Okay. Therefore, cos theta is equal to modulus of b1 dot of b2 divided by modulus of b1 into modulus of b2 here. So this is the formula here. Okay. Then this is equal to b1 dot b2 means it's a dot product here. Okay. 1 into 3. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus 2 into 6. 2 into 6 divided by. So modulus of b1 means the root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square here. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Then the root of 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square. 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to here 3 ones are 3 here. 2 twos are 4 plus 4 and 6 twos are 12 here plus 12 here divided by square root of 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 here 9. So root of 9 divided by root of so 6 square is 36 here and 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 here. 40 plus 9 49 root of 49 here. Modulus here. Then this equal to 12 plus 4 16 plus 3 19. So all are positive here. So write here 19 here divided by. So square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 49 is 7. Therefore, this is equal to 19 divided by 21. Therefore, take this cos right hand side here. So therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse of 19 divided by 21 here. So this is a 3 marks question here. 3 times they asked here. March 14, March 15 and September 20. 3 times they asked. It is a 3 marks question here. Okay, so this is our next example here. Again, we find the angle between the two pair of lines here. Okay, therefore comparing these with the standard equations of the lines here. Hence, b1 is equal to this one. So 3I plus 2j plus 6k. b2 is I plus 2j plus 2k. Then the theta is the angle between the two lines. Hence, cos of theta is equal to this formula. So modulus of b1 dot b2 means it's a dot product here. 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Then plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus. So 6 into 2 divided by root of. So 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square, then root of so 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square here. Therefore this equal to modulus of 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4 plus 4, and 6 twos are 12 here, plus 12 divided by here 6 square is 36 plus 4 40 plus 9 is 49. Square root of 49 is 7 here into, and 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So same numbers from just like a previous example here, same numbers are there. So therefore sum of the numerator are here 12 plus 4 16 plus 3 19, and 7 3s are 21 here. Hence theta is equal to cos inverse of 19 divided by 21 here. So this is the answer here. 3 marks question asked in July 2017 here. So find the angle between the pair of lines here. Again comparing with the standard equation of V1 is equal to I minus Z minus 2K. V2 is 3I minus 5Z minus of 4K. Then this is the formula. So V1 dot V2 means 1 into 3. 1 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 5 minus 1 into minus 5 plus minus 2 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 4 divided by root of so 1 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 2 square, 1 square plus minus 1 square plus minus of 2 square here. Then root of so 3 square, then plus minus 5 square here, then plus minus 4 square. Okay. Then this is equal to 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5, minus into minus plus 5, and minus into minus plus 4 twos are 8 here, divided by root of so 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 root of so 3 squares are 9 here, 5 squares are 25, and 4 squares are 16 here. Then 6 plus 5 11 plus 9 20, 2 2 4 plus 5 50 here. Therefore root of 50. Okay, take here modulus sign. Then this equal to 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 8 16 here. So 16 divided by square root of 6 is there. We can write root of 3 into root of 2 here, and square root 50 here. So you can take here 5 root of 2 here, 5 root 2. Okay, root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. Then root 50, 25 to the square root of 25 is 5 root 2. Hence this is equal to so 16 divided by root 2 into this root 2 becomes 2 root 3 into 5, 2 into 5 into root 3. Okay, root 2 into root 2 becomes 2 here, 5 root 3, 5 root 3 keep as it is here, 2 ones are 2 8 are cancels here. Then take a cos right hand side here. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 8 divided by 5 root 3 is the answer here. This is the angle between the two lines here. So find the angle between the pair of lines here. The equations are in a Cartesian form here. So if the equation in Cartesian form, then angle between the two lines is given by modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Therefore, comparing given equation with the standard form here. So here a1 is equal to 2f, then b1 is equal to 5 and c1 is equal to minus 3, then a2 is equal to minus 1 and b2 is equal to 8 and c2 is equal to 4 here. Okay, let theta be the angle between the lines here. Let theta be the angle between the lines. Theta be the angle between the lines. Hence, cos of theta is equal to modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, again root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Therefore, this is equal to modulus of a1 into a2, 2 into minus 1 here, 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into 8, 5 into 8 plus minus 3 into 4, minus 3 into 4 divided by root of, so 2 square plus 5 square plus minus 3 square here, then the root of, so minus 1 square, then plus 8 square plus 4 square, 4 square. Therefore, this is equal to 2 ones are 12, minus of 2, 8 5s are 40, so plus 40 here, and 3 4s are 12, minus of 12 divided by, so root of, so 2 squares are 4 here, 5 squares are 25, and 3 squares are 9 here. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 9 are 18 here. 2 plus 1 becomes 3, so 38. This is 38 here. Then minus 1 square is 1, 8 square 64, and 4 squares are 16. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, and 81. So root of 81. Root of 81. Okay. Then in the numerator, minus 2, minus 12, minus 14. So 40 minus 14, 40 minus of 14, 26 here. Therefore, in the numerator, it is a 26 here, plus 26 divided by, then it is a 9 here. So 9 into root of 38. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse of 26 divided by 9 root of 38. So this gives the angle between the two lines. So find the angle between the pair of lines here. Again the equation in Cartesian form here. Therefore, comparing the given equation with the standard form. So a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 2 here, c1 is equal to 1, and A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to 1, and C2 is equal to 8. So this is a formula modulus of so 2 into 4, 2 into 4, then plus 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 8, 1 into 8 divided by root of so 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, again root of 4 square plus 1 square plus 8 square. Therefore this equal to modulus of 4 2s are 8 here, then plus 2 1s are 2 plus 8 1s are 8 here, divided by root of 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 is 9 here, root of 9, root of 8 square 64, 1 square is 1 and 4 square is 16 here. Then 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11 here. 6 plus 2 becomes 8, 81. Root of 81. Root of 81. Then in the numerator, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 becomes 18 here. So 18 divided by square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 81 is 9 here. 9 ones are 9 twos are get cancels here. Hence theta is equal to cos inverse of 2 divided by 3. Angle between the two lines. So show that the three lines with direction cosines here. Okay, these are the direction cosines of three lines here. They are mutually perpendicular. Okay. Therefore, I take a solution. Let L1 is equal to 12 divided by 13. M1 is equal to minus 3 divided by 13. N1 is equal to minus 4 by 13. Then L2 is equal to 4 by 13 here. And M2 is equal to 12 divided by 13. And N2 is equal to 3 divided by 13. Then L3 is equal to 3 divided by 13. M3 is equal to minus 4 divided by 13. N3 is equal to 12 divided by 13. Or direction cosines here of three lines. Okay. Therefore, L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to. So 12 by 13 into 4 by 13 here. So 12 4s are 48 here. 48 divided by 13, 13s are 169 here. Then minus, because minus n is there. 12 3s are 36 here. Divided by 13 into 13 becomes 169. Then again minus n is there. So write here minus. 4 3s are 12 divided by 169. So 169 is the LCM here. 169 is the LCM. So 48 minus of 36 minus of 12. Minus 36 minus 12 minus 48 plus 48 becomes 0. So this becomes 0. So L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus L1 L2 equal to 0. They are perpendicular to each other. Similarly, L2 L3 plus M2 M3 plus N2 N3 is equal to 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by 169. 12 fours are 48 here. Minus 48 divided by 169. 3 fours are 12. 12 threes are 36 here. Plus 36 divided by 169. So 169 LCM here. Therefore 12 minus 48 plus 36 here. Again this becomes a 0. Then L1, L3. L1, L3 plus M1, M3. M1, M3 plus N1, N3. N1, N3 is equal to, okay, 12 threes are 36 here. 36 divided by 169 here. 3 fours are 12 here. Minus into minus plus. So plus 12 divided by 169. And 12 fours are 48 here. Minus of 48 divided by 169 here. So 169 is the LCM. Therefore 36 plus 12 minus 48 is equal to 0. Therefore in all the cases it is a 0 here, as the lines are mutually perpendicular to each other. Therefore lines are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay, this is the solution.